Most SEO apps show you a fake 100% score the moment you install them. This one doesn't. SEO Metriks scans your actual store, every product, page, and collection, and shows you what's really wrong. Fix it with AI. Meta tags, alt text, blog posts, FAQs. Every draft reviewed by you first. Nothing happens behind your back. Track your real Google rankings every single day automatically. Spy on your competitors. See the exact keywords they're beating you on. And see something no other SEO app shows you. Whether ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude actually recommend your store when someone asks where to buy. Real Google Shopping visibility. Real Search Console data. Real analytics. Connected, not estimated. Every number in this app is real. No autopilot claims, no fake completions. Just the truth about your SEO and the tools to fix it. SEO Metriks. Install it free on the Shopify App Store today.